Problems and solutions. Vector analysis. Problem number 2. We have to prove that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So let's see how to prove that. First of all, let's draw a parallelogram ABCD having diagonals AC and DB, which intersect with each other at point O. Now we have represented AB as a vector, and so DC is also a vector. This AD has been represented by B vector, and this BC has been represented by B vector also. So this is diagonal vector, this is the point of intersection, and this is one vector DO, and this is AO vector. Now, as I have mentioned, we have assumed that AB is equal to small a vector equal to DC vector, these things, and AD is equal to small b vector equal to BC. Now, from the law of triangle, for finding the resultant of vectors, let's see what we can find. You can see A vector plus B vector is equal to AC vector. So AO should be some m times A plus B vector. M is a scalar quantity. So I have written that AO is m times A plus B vector. We don't know the value of m right now, and we will find the value later. Similarly, from ADB triangle, we can write B vector plus DB vector is equal to A vector. So DB vector is A minus B, and similarly DO will be equal to n times A minus B, where n is also a scalar. The value we don't know now, and we will calculate the value. We will find the value later. Now you can see that B vector plus DO vector is equal to AO vector. So we have written that B plus DO is equal to AO. Now let's put the value of DO and AO here. So I can write n times A minus B is equal to, this is actually DO vector, is equal to AO minus B vector. So DO is n minus n times A minus B vector. Here you had I have already found that. So I have written that here n minus AB is equal to AO vector, which is m times A plus B. This is minus B, or n minus m times A is equal to m plus n minus 1 times B. This is just rearrangement. Now one thing you can see here, that A vector and B vector, these two vectors are not collinear, and since they are not collinear, you can see I can find this type of equation. Since they are not collinear, these terms m plus n minus 1 and n minus m will be equal to 0, and I have done this earlier. If you have not checked the video, I will put the link in the description section. You can check the video where I have shown that if two vectors are not collinear, then suppose A and B, two vectors which are not collinear, then if there exists some equation like suppose x times A plus y times B equal to 0, then x and y both will be 0. So I have done that before, and I shall obviously put the link on the description section. You can check that later. So just see, since A and B are two non-collinear vectors, so m plus n minus 1 is equal to n minus m equal to 0. So solving these equations, you can find m plus n is equal to 1 and m is equal to n. So we get a very simple solution for these, and that is m equal to n equal to half. That means O is the midpoint of the both diagonals of the parallelogram. So we have proved that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot.